What's going on, everybody? We got the Camaro all cleaned up today. Sun is just about ready to set. I've been wanting to get some cool shots of this, so we're going to run out to a local spot and try and get some cool pictures of the sun going down with an industrial back set. So let's jump in it and get going. Hopefully this works out. It's setting up to be a pretty decent sunset. We have some clouds kind of low in the sky that are scattered, and it's definitely bright. So let's get out here. We're going to head over to that power plant. It's kind of an industrial back set, and see if that works for us today. Alright, we're going to scope this out. I'm not sure how much time we'll have. The sun is sinking down, but we're just going to try and pull in here and snap some shots here. Let's see how it works. Alright, let's get out here and see if we can do anything with this. Alright guys, that actually worked out pretty good. We didn't get kicked out of there. I think we got some good shots. We'll have to go back home and check it out, but sun's down and sunset's gone, so we're gonna head back.